Exercise 8.2, problem 2, discussion. Let's read the problem. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl. That's a cylinder shape, okay, of diameter 7 cm. If the bowl is filled with soup to a height of 4 cm, then find the quantity of soup to be prepared daily in the hospital to serve 250 patients. So let's mark what's given in the problem. The cylindrical bowl of diameter, watch out, diameter not radius, 7 cm. Okay, if the bowl is filled with to a height of 4 cm, the height is given as 4 cm. Okay, then find the quantity of soup to prepare 250 patients. Okay, I guess that's all is given here. So let's list it out. Okay, cylinder, that's one more thing. Okay, cylinder. So diameter equal to 7 cm. As usual, we immediately convert to radius, that is 7 by 2 cm. H is 4 cm, height is 4 cm. The number of patients is 250. The shape of the bowl is a cylinder. Okay, great. Now let's find out what's required. You have to know, or we have to find the quantity of soup. So we'll have to calculate the quantity of soup to be prepared to serve 250 patients. So we need to calculate quantity of soup for 250 patients. Okay, now we'll have to link this with this. So each patient is given a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 cm and 4 cm. So what does it mean? So all we need to do is calculate the volume of one bowl and multiply it by 250. Okay, so that's a broad idea you have to keep in your mind. Now let's put all the formulas. So quantity of soup is 250 into V, where V is the volume of one cylindrical bowl, right? So this is how it can be done. But if you look at this problem, we cannot use this because we don't know the volume of the cylindrical bowl. So we'll have to calculate this. Now V is given by the cylinder, so V is given by pi r squared h. In the right side, it's all green, so which means we can easily calculate volume by substituting r, which is 7 by 2 cm, and h, which is 4 cm. Okay, so the way will be you substitute r and h here and calculate V, which is the volume of one cylindrical bowl, or that is the quantity required for one patient. Then you have 250 patients, so that is multiplied by 250 to get the total quantity of soup required. You got it? Okay, let me summarize it. Calculate the radius of the bowl using r equal to d by 2, because the diameter is given in centimeter and all our formulas are in terms of radius, so we'll have to convert this. This is a very important step. Don't miss this, otherwise you'll make the whole problem in the wrong direction. Okay. Next, substitute values of radius and height. Radius is 7 by 2 cm, height is 4 cm in V equal to pi r squared h, and calculate the volume of the bowl. Because it's a cylinder, we are using this cylinder volume formula, which is pi r squared h. We know r, we know h. Substituting that, we'll be able to calculate the volume of the cylindrical bowl, which is the soup for one person. Next, step 3, calculate the quantity of soup to be prepared using quantity of soup equal to V, which is a volume of one bowl, into 250, because there are 250 patients. Okay, it's quite simple, isn't it? Though it looks little difficult, but if you break the problem, you can easily solve it. Now pause the video and try to do it on your own, then come back and look at the solution. The solution: given diameter equal to 7 cm, height equal to 4 cm. Okay, so diameter of the bowl is 7 cm, which means radius is 7 by 2 cm. Volume of the cylindrical bowl V equal to pi r squared h, so that is equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into height, that is 4 centimeter. So this 7 and 7 will cancel, this 2 2s are 4 and this 4 will cancel. Okay, so you'll be left with 22 into 7, that is 154 centimeter cubed is the volume of one cylindrical bowl, or this is a soup required for one person. Therefore, quantity of soup to be prepared for 250 patients is equal to 250 into volume of the cylindrical bowl, that is 250 into 154. So 250 into 154, we get 38,500 centimeter cube. But we know 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube. So you divide it by 1000, you will get it as 38.5 liters. Okay, but in this problem they have not asked to give it in liters. You can either leave it here or convert it into liters. Whichever you are comfortable, you can do. Thus the quantity of soup is 38.5 liters. I hope you got the problem correct. If not, please find out where you have gone wrong and correct it. And if you don't understand it, please go back to the discussion part of the video and try to get your understanding clear and then do this problem. Okay, thanks for watching this video.